Have you ever thought about what it takes to create a realistic digital avatar of yourself? Today, you'll find out exactly how to set up your camera, capture your image, and use HeyGen to build your own AI-powered digital avatar. To get started, you'll need to take a clear photo or short video. Let's walk through the essentials. Lighting. Use soft daylight or front-facing lamps to avoid harsh shadows. Framing. Set your webcam at eye level by centering your head, leaving space above, and making sure your shoulders show. Wardrobe. Solid colors are best. Avoid designs or logos and choose wrinkle-free fabrics. Background. A plain, uncluttered background keeps the focus on you. Before recording, check out the official guidelines available on the HeyGen homepage. These offer step-by-step instructions, technical requirements, and best practices to help you create the highest quality avatar possible. Following these recommendations can make a big difference in the final results. Why is this important? Each setup detail helps your avatar look polished and professional, avoiding common mistakes beginners make. Once these basics are in place, you're ready to capture your image and start creating your digital avatar using HeyGen. Consent and release. You're now ready to record a short consent and calibration video for HeyGen. Just state your name and grant permission for your likeness to be used in one take. Follow the official HeyGen guidelines and submit an unedited video. This step protects your rights and ensures responsible use of your digital avatar. Who owns your avatar when using HeyGen? You remain the owner of your avatar under normal paid licensing, but in exchange, you grant HeyGen very broad rights, including training the model. How can influencers use this long-term? If you're an influencer building a digital twin for branding or endorsements, own your likeness. Get clear consent and retain rights to your face, voice, and image. If you plan to license your avatar to brands, use a written agreement defining usage, duration, territory, and exclusivity. Use the right HeyGen plan. Paid plans allow commercial use. Confirm your subscription covers third-party licensing, so you can legally let brands use your avatar. License strategically. You own your avatar, so you can license it to brands for specific campaigns or categories. You grant the brand rights to use your avatar under agreed terms. Over time, you can update your avatar's look, voice, or style, or even create alternate versions like a casual Avatar A and a formal Avatar B to suit different brands or campaigns. Maintain control. Decide if brands can modify your avatar and monitor how it's used. Include clauses for misuse or early termination. Expand monetization. Use your avatar for ongoing brand partnerships, merchandise, or virtual events to build long-term revenue streams. Once your video is complete, head to the HeyGen Instant Avatar page and click Create Avatar. Upload your video, confirm your email, and submit. HeyGen will process your avatar in about 30 minutes. For those seeking even more advanced avatars, platforms like Synthesia provide premium options, though their approval process takes longer. When your avatar is ready, you'll receive a preview link. From there, simply upload any script and your digital twin will bring your words to life. You can now use this avatar for perfect pitch presentations, onboarding videos, social media content, and much more. You've just learned how to create your very first AI-powered avatar. From capturing the perfect setup to understanding how ownership and licensing work. Remember, your avatar isn't just a digital copy of you. It's a creative extension of your voice, style, and brand. Use it thoughtfully, protect your likeness, and explore the many ways it can expand your storytelling and business opportunities. In the next lesson, we'll take your avatar to the next level by adding your cloned voice and exploring how to make your videos feel even more authentic and human.